I'll be right there. I can't not yet.
Welcome.
Okay. I know.
Yeah,
Somebody
stop.
bit me. In the middle of my lap right now.
Okay, hi everybody. During a Zoom class with so many of us, in the same Zoom room together, it can sometimes get a bit noisy. Phones go off, music comes on, whatever happens, kids run through. So we should all know where our mute button is. That keeps the noise in our room from being broadcast to everybody else. So depending on your device, your mute button is probably in the bottom row on your screen. So tap your screen or use your mouse, hit that little microphone so that there's a red. See how my voice just disappeared like that? Mute.
Thank you. So anyway, something interesting us teachers have learned is that Zoom will cancel out the sound of your sewing machine if it's just the sewing machine running. But if I talk and I sew at the same time, hopefully I'm coordinated enough to do that, you should be able to hear my sewing machine. So if you're in a class and everybody's sewing away, sometimes the noise gets pretty distracting, but Zoom may wind up canceling some of that out for you, which would be kind of neat because it can get pretty noisy, those of us who haven't oiled our machines recently.
I love Zoom classes because all my tools are nearby.
Sometimes you've got something that you just really need to say, but you've been on mute because your husband's making so much noise in the other room. Well, one quick and easy way of doing that is if you hold the space bar down on your laptop and keep it held down, it might take a few seconds to kick in, then we can all hear you. And then when you're done, you can just let it go and your husband can go back to making as much noise as he wants to.
What I love about Zoom is that I can change my mind about fabrics even after we started.